Tässä on skeittiökarnekallio.
20 minutes take a say in Savio, Kerava, Helsinki region, Helsingfors region, Uusimaan Finland, using the stairs here.
Yeah.
It was built in 1970, also turning 50 years old this year in 2020. Amazing. We've also built this staircase B.
Yeah.
So just 100%. So there's no occupied light. And the serial number is H18869. As to put numbers beside them, although it's unnecessary. The capacity is for purchase 30 and 20 grams, and it's going to be inspected in 2022. Press. Maybe we can take another ride, but I don't know if they're going to use it.
Yeah, I think not.
On the second ride I can press.
Yeah.
No, it's calm. Well, almost.
Yeah. Speed bara kiva, jos pitää nyt mennä eteenpäin Espanjassa.
Yes. Back to Kone, which is used as the ground floor. It should be katut also in this case.
Yeah.
Even though it's also a base, there's a basement too.
Yeah. That's